Hi boys and girls, welcome to Shared Reading with Miss Allen. Today we're going to read a story about a party. So I wonder if you've ever had a party before or gone to a party before. We know that there's a lot of planning involved and it's very exciting to get invited to a party. This story today is about a girl who is having a party and she's inviting some friends to join her. So this is called Kate's Party and it's written by Jane Simon, illustrated by John Gordon. Kate's Party by Jane Simon, illustrated by John Gordon. I see some sandwiches on the plate. I like to get my pointer out to read. Kate wanted to have a party. She invited Lily, Rob, Jack, and Pat. My party. These are the kids that she's listed on her invitation. She's going to make a list of the kids' names. Lily, Rob, Jack, and Pat. I will need 4 of everything, said Kate. Kate set the table. She put out 4 chairs, 4 plates, 4 cups, and 4 napkins. Then she went into the kitchen and she made 4 sandwiches. And she poured some juice. It's busy when you're having a party getting ready for the event. When her friends came, they said, "The table looks so nice." "Thank you," said Kate. "Let's sit down." All of her friends sat down. "I don't understand," said Kate. "I don't have a chair. I don't have a plate. I don't have a cup. I don't have a napkin. I don't have a sandwich." She's thinking, what went wrong here with her math? She wrote down 4 friends were coming and 4 friends come. Have you figured out what she forgot to include? She did. She forgot to include herself. Let's see how her friends help her figure it out. "So maybe we should count," said Lily. They counted the chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. They counted the plates. 1, 2, 3, 4. They counted the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. They counted the napkins. 1, 2, 3, 4. They counted the sandwiches. 1, 2, 3, 4. She hasn't figured it out yet, but I think her friends are thinking about it right now. Kate still had no chair, no plate, no cup, no napkin, and no sandwich. And then Rob said, "I know. Count everyone again, Kate," said say the numbers. Kate pointed to Lily, number 1. Kate pointed to Rob, number 2. Kate pointed to Jack, number 3. Kate pointed to Pat, number 4. "I count 4 people," said Kate. "You forgot to count yourself," said her friends all at once. And then they all pointed to Kate and said, 5. Lily got 1 more chair. Rob got 1 more plate. Jack got 1 more cup. Pat got 1 more napkin, and Kate made 1 more sandwich. Now everyone's happy. Then Kate, Lily, Rob, Jack, and Pat had a great time at the party. So let's summarize. When she planned for her party, she wrote down 4 names of kids she wanted to invite, and so she based all of her planning on those 4 names. She forgot to include herself, the most important one, who was planning for the party. But you notice how friends can help you? Sometimes when you have a problem, it helps to talk it through and also to have help with friends, because friends can be there to help you solve that problem. All right, well, thanks for coming to read with Miss Allen today.